Meaning of high-tech.
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 High-tech. The term high-tech refers to technology that is advanced, innovative, and sophisticated. It can be used to describe a wide range of products and processes that incorporate cutting-edge technology, such as computers, robotics, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and biotechnology. The development of high-tech solutions has had a significant impact on society, enabling new forms of communication, transportation, healthcare, and entertainment. In short, high-tech refers to the forefront of technological innovation and achievement, and it plays a critical role in shaping our world today and in the future.